Hey folks. Today, welcome to Wildcat Kitchen. I'm going to be teaching you some recipes with oats' favorite cousin, granola. It's cool, it's hip. Every oat in the oat farm wants to be granola. We are making a smoothie bowl, which is a thicker smoothie that you can eat with a spoon. I'm gonna go through this super quick because it's just a little bit different than making a smoothie, and you already know how to make a great one after you watched Wildcat Kitchen episode 1, which I know you did. I know it for a fact. The only thing that's slightly different is the way that you prepare it. Greens, banana, 2 berries. Let's get it. We're literally just gonna pour in berries. Just eyeball it. You're gonna put half a banana in with your frozen berries. You're gonna want to keep your almond milk on hand just to pour in. We are ready to get blending, folks. After you finish blending all these frozen ingredients together, it looks a little bit like Dippin' Dots. And after that, you add a little bit of almond milk. Let's get it. Boop. What we got going here, I think, is a little bit of a perfect consistency. I'll show you real quick. Little bits and pieces. Just do one good pour around your blades. Perfecto! One of the key words in Smoothie Bowl is bowl. So I have one. And we're just gonna spoon our mixture into this. So I'll take the blade out, get all that excess off the blades real quick. I'm gonna throw that right into our little bowl here. Oh, hey, Mr. Leaf on my thumb. This isn't your show, Leaf. Okay. Oh, no, it's still there. This is the content you guys came here for, watching me fight with a leaf. I have chia seeds. I have our star granola. And get a good portion, not a full tablespoon. Sprinkle those on there. You put anything else you want. Honey, some more fruit, cocoa nibs. Add whatever you want. Just don't be boring. Yes, I did wear this shirt for that punchline. I packed it up in this bowl because I'm actually going to go take it to my mommy. So I'll catch y'all for the next recipe. Smoothie bowls are actually one of my favorite things to get on campus. Across the street from campus on University, there's a Jamba Juice. There's smoothie bowls. If someone from Jamba Juice is watching this, please drop the granola recipe. Is that granola? Woo! Anyway. Hey y'all, so mom loved the bowl. Just call me Master Chef. Next, you're gonna want to grab a mason jar. We're making a little snack. Whole Greek yogurt. You can have whatever you want. Coconut yogurt. I know there's lots of yogurts out there now, so whatever floats your boat. Granola of your choice. I really love this brand, and I'm reputable because I've eaten at least 4 kinds of granola in my life. So if I say this is the one, this is the one. It's also a 2-step process. I'm saving you money and time, so really I should get like whatever money you save that goes to me. Just stir up your yogurt. Greek yogurt, great source of protein. Spoon a bit, whatever amount you're feeling like today. And then granola time. You have whatever amount of yogurt you want, then put whatever amount of granola you want. Get a granola per bite, whatever your method is. At the end of the day, great snack. The sweetness with the tartness of the yogurt, winning combo. So while I finish this, I'm gonna go ahead and prep for our 3rd snack. Another mason jar. Surprise, surprise. This recipe is actually even simpler than the last one, which seems real weird because the last one was like minimum effort. You can actually use a bowl too. I just like using these mason jars because they're mine. This recipe, your bowl, your granola. The idea behind this recipe, fell back in. Some people eat granola as cereal. So the next step to this recipe, literally just pour milk into it. Got yourself some nice little cinnamon granola cereal. Man, I love this show. Spoon? Spoon. That's really good. Half this video is you guys just watching me eat granola. But it's okay, it's a bonding experience. 4th way to eat granola, literally just eat it out of the bag. I'm not going to illustrate that one because I've eaten copious amounts of granola today. Quite frankly, I'm not eating anymore. Don't forget to brush your teeth, guys. Forgot to show y'all the blender tip. It's actually very simple. Put that back in there. Hit it with a little bit of soap. Fill it about halfway. Attach it to your blender, and we just go and blend. Woo! That, my friends, is a clean blender. Just rinse it out. Wash your hands.